Hey everyone, welcome to How to Write Equations of Tangent Lines Part 2. This is just one more example using implicit differentiation. So if you haven't seen this before, check out my first video on how to write equations of tangent lines. So here is my example. Find the equation of the line tangent to x squared y minus x equals y cubed minus 8 at the point where x equals 0. Alright, so the first thing we want to do, remember we talk about point slope form. Okay, so we need a point, and we need this point xy. And we also need the slope, okay? And that means derivative. So that's what you're thinking, derivative. In this case, y prime. Okay? So the only problem is I just have the x, I have nothing else. So I'm going to go ahead and first find y. And so what that means is when I write my equation x squared y minus, or my curve here, okay, I know that x is 0. It tells me. So when I have 0, this term is gone, the whole left side is 0. So I have 0 equals y cubed minus 8. And when I solve for y here, I get y equals 2. So my order pair is 0, 2. That's my x and that's my y. So now I have to find the derivative of this right here. That's implicit differentiation. Okay, so look, let's go down here and we're going to go ahead and apply our rule. So first is x squared times derivative of the second, which is y prime. Okay, minus 1 equals 3y squared times y prime minus 8 derivative of constant 0. So here's my equation. Now I could try to solve for y prime, but don't. I know my point is 0, 2. So that means x is 0, y is 2. So 0 squared times y prime, that's gone, minus 1 equals 3 times 2 squared times y prime. So don't solve for y prime here, just plug in what you know, because you just need the derivative value. Well, this is gone, this is 0, so you have negative 1 equals 2 squared is 4. You get 12y prime. So that means negative 1/12 equals y prime. Okay, so now I have my derivative and my point. So now I just write my equation. Okay? So I have my point, 0, 2. My slope, or my derivative, right, is negative 1/12 is equal to y prime. So y minus 2 equals the slope, negative 1/12 times x minus, the quantity x minus 0. So you can leave it as this. You can simplify this, put this in slope-intercept form, okay, which gives you, so this is your answer. Most time on the AP, just leave it. Don't even do this step in case you mess up. So either of those are acceptable forms. You could write it in standard form too. But anyway, that's one more example of finding the equation of a tangent line using implicit differentiation. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. We'll see you next time.